So the Ultra Boost ST actually might be my favorite pair of Adidas Boost sneakers to release, and find out in this video why. What is going on, guys? Has here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, including the Ultra Boost ST Parley, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. In this video, I just wanted to give you guys kind of an updated review of the Ultra Boost ST because I have done some older videos, as you could see, and some uncaging of the STs back in the day. I've been waiting for a good colorway and the right price point for myself, and so I finally pulled the trigger on the Parley Ultra Boost STs. I love this colorway. I think they did a really nice job on this one, and I've just been a huge fan of this model. Now, this model might not be for everybody. Aesthetically, it's a lot chunkier than the Ultra Boost, but I actually really like the overall comfort and the cushioning of the ST better. It just fits my foot better. Now, I know it's not gonna be the same for everybody out there, so I definitely recommend you going and trying on your own pair and seeing how you like them or not. I go true to size, so 9.5 fits me perfectly, which is exactly the same size that I am with the Ultra Boost. But there's definitely a couple features about this shoe that I like better than the regular Ultra Boost, so let's go ahead and get into some of the details. So as I mentioned, this is an updated version of the Ultra Boost ST. This is the older version. As you can see, I need to use my Rejuvenator on this because I dirtied these up again. These ones are permanently in the garage, so I usually wear these walking around with the kid outside and stuff. But you can see mine are beat up pretty good. The traction's been wearing down a little bit on the bottom. And the overall traction pattern on the newer version, it looks exactly the same. I actually haven't compared them previous to this video. But they look exactly the same for the soles. And looking over the midsoles side by side, they do appear exactly the same lines here and here. And you have those ones on the bottom as well. And then you can see on the back section of the shoe here, there's actually two layers right here, 1, 2, and then the same thing on the newer one, 1, 2. And then you have the stability plate on the back. It says energized stability on the side of the shoe, which is why these are called the STs, for the extra added stability. And here's a look at the midsoles on this side as well. So you can see shapes are exactly the same. The toe box pattern and everything is pretty much the same. It does have that extra protection on the toe guard, which is a nice plus. And you can see the lockdown is actually the same on both pairs as well. So as I look closer on these, actually the uppers look exactly the same as well. This one obviously looks a little bit different because I removed that cage, but the cage that was on here was plastic, and the cage on the Parley one is kind of like a knit material on top of a fused overlay. So that is a little bit different on the newer ST version. Now, this is the Parley one, and you can see it has recycled plastic on the heel counter, and that is definitely the biggest change on the shoe. It doesn't say Ultra Boost on the heel cup. It's just basically the recycled material. It does say Adidas and Parley on the back of the shoe though, so they added that little back tab. The actual liner material is a little bit different as well. This one is a little bit softer on the older one, a little bit rougher mesh on the new STs. But all in all, like, it's pretty much the same exact shoe with just a couple little minor updates. If I missed any of the updates on this other than this section and this section, leave a comment and let me know. But those are the two primary things that I see. And those that are not familiar with the ST, check out the difference between the regular Ultra Boost and the ST. You could see it's definitely like more stacked in the back section right here with Boost. And also on the inside of the shoe, you could see it's so much bigger right up through here. This kind of goes fatter to skinnier, and this one is just like super stacked all the way to right here. So definitely more boost on the ST, and I personally think it's more felt as well. This is probably the biggest change right here. As you can see, this section of the Ultra Boost is a lot narrower than on the ST. The ST has a wider track down on that side right there, and because of that, it just fits a little bit better for those people like myself that have wider feet. Now, I don't know necessarily what type of foot I have, if I have a wide flat foot or what, but this is super comfortable for me. Some people that have tried them on say they're not as comfortable, but whatever type of foot I have, it fits these things perfect, and these are hands down more comfortable, personally, in my opinion, than the regular Ultra Boost. And if you want to see the difference between the Ultra Boost, this is the 2.0 pattern and this is the ST. It's definitely not as soft of a material for the prime knit on the upper of the ST, but there definitely feels like there's more structure on this. And these do feel like they are a pretty stable ride. All in all, I really do like what Adidas has done with the Parley movement with the recycled ocean materials. I think it is kind of a cool little addition to their product lines, and I like the overall color schemes too. The grays and the blues I just dig. I think it looks cool. I think that these look really amazing on feet. I love how this little section right here of the stability is always like kind of translucent, and on the black pair it's like a red translucent, but I like that they went with this baby blue, and I'm stoked that I got these, man. This is just one of those shoes that I had my eye on, and I just was waiting it out. Leave a comment on the comment section if you have tried the Adidas Ultra Boost ST or not. And if you did, what do you guys think about the shoe? These are running shoes, but obviously, like, I wear them casually and I love wearing these things casually. But I personally love these shoes. I think that these are the most comfortable Adidas Boost shoes on the market. And I know it's not a popular opinion because they're not as stylish as some of the other ones, but I actually really dig these ones. And I'm used to taking the cage off, but I'm gonna leave it on this one. I like that they changed it up and it made more subtle branding, but also just added the little extra material on it. It just feels nice, looks nice, and I don't need to do any modifications. I'm proud and happy with the product that I ended up buying. But that's kind of the video. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about the Parley Ultra Boost, and thank you guys for stopping by and watching. If you guys want to hit the thumbs up button, feel free to do so. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Notification bell if you want to be notified of when I post videos. And at this time, if you guys want to click the screen, you can check out any of the other videos on my channel. Thanks for stopping by and have a good rest of the day. Peace.